Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Nowadays these AI pictures are trending. How can you make this kind of pictures or edit this kind picture which called retro AI pics? Nowadays trending on social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc. How can you do that? Just come to your Google Gemini. You need to download this application from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you download the Google Gemini, then come to the home page. First you need to log in. All right, log in with your Google account, then click here filters icon, choose the create image, then click to the plus icon and upload your picture that you want to use or create a retro kind AI picture. So first of all, I go a little down and choose one of my picture that I want to edit. All right, like this one. Then click on the add, and now here you need to add the script prompt, and the prompt is available in the description box. Once you do that, after 4 to 5 seconds the result is in front of you. I hope this short tutorial is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.